Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Claude Code on Windows PC or laptop. Claude Code is an agent-based coding tool built by Anthropic, and it runs directly inside your terminal. Unlike standard AI chat interfaces, Claude Code can actually read your code, understand your project, and even execute commands right in the terminal. So let's get started and see how to install and use Claude Code step by step. Alright, open your browser and search for Claude Code docs. Then click on the Claude Code overview link. Once the website opens, scroll down to the Get Started section. Here you'll see different installation options, and the native install is the recommended one. You'll find setup instructions for macOS, Linux, and Windows, depending on which system you're using. In this video, we're installing it on Windows, so go ahead and copy the Windows PowerShell command shown there. Now open PowerShell on your system, then paste the command and press enter. Now it will take few seconds to install. If you see Claude Code on Windows requires Git bash, so the next step is to download and install Git on your system. Copy the Git download link shown in PowerShell, paste it into your browser, and download the standalone Git for Windows x64 installer. The download should start right away. After the download is complete, right-click on the installer file and select Open. Now just follow the on-screen steps to install Git. When it asks you to choose a default editor, you can select Vim or any editor you prefer, like Notepad, or VS Code. In my case, I already have VS Code installed, so I'll choose that and click Next. After that, you can simply keep clicking Next. There's no need to change anything. The default settings are perfectly fine. Finally, click Install and Git will be installed on your system. Once Git is installed, go back to PowerShell and run the previous command again to install Claude Code. This time, as you can see, Claude Code installs successfully. Next, we need to add it to the system path. First, copy the path shown here. Then go to Windows Search and type System Properties and open View Advanced System Settings. When the System Properties window opens, click on Environment Variables. Then select Path and click Edit button. Then add the copied path here. After that, click OK, then OK again, and finally OK one more time to apply the changes. Now close all the windows, open PowerShell again, and type Claude-V and press enter. As you can see, it shows the Claude Code version, which means it's installed successfully and accessible from the command line. To start using it, simply type Claude and press enter. Claude Code will open and you can choose a theme, dark mode, light mode, or whatever you prefer. After that, it will ask you to log in with your Claude account and an active subscription, and that's it. This is how you can install and use Claude Code on Windows. I hope this video helped you get Claude Code set up on your PC. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.